Tired of weak, noisy leaf blowers that die in 10 minutes? 2025's best cordless leaf blowers are here, and they're game changers. We tested dozens: batteries, power, noise levels, everything. Only 5 made the cut. If you buy the wrong one, you're stuck with dead leaves and a dead battery. But the right one? Your yard will be spotless in minutes. All links are below. Let's find your perfect blower. Number 1. Ego Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. We think the best cordless leaf blowers should be convenient, easy to handle, maneuverable, and strong enough to move dry and wet leaves and other debris. Our favorite is the Ego Cordless Leaf Blower Kit, which features a powerful 670 CFM turbo mode that made short work of grass clippings, kept our yard clean when several trees lost all their leaves at once, and even blasted away some old, dry leaves that had been stuck behind our air conditioner condenser since the previous year. We tested this leaf blower at home to tackle tasks we had previously handled with a plug-in leaf blower. With a variable output of 250 to 530 CFM, plus the turbo mode, we were amazed by how much more powerful this leaf blower is. We also loved that we could handle our entire lawn, walkways, and everything else without constantly unplugging and looking for a new outlet. When several trees lost all their foliage at once, we used this blower to keep both our front and backyards clean and clear. However, we noticed that we needed to use the highest setting, and turbo mode, which reduced the run time to about 22 minutes. Number 2. Worx Cordless Leaf Blower. The Worx WG584 is a versatile leaf blower with variable speed controls, powerful airflow, and 2 batteries. It even includes a dual charger. We found it to be lightweight and surprisingly quiet, considering its power. It lacks the raw power of our overall best recommendation, but it's typically priced at least $50 less, making it a great value. We tested this leaf blower in our lab to see how it handles various common debris on different surfaces, and it cleared both dry and wet leaves in record time. It performed just as well when we took it home to test it in real-world conditions. This is a variable speed model, but it gives you the option of 60, 69, 80, or 95 miles per hour, with airflow capacities of 300 and 470 CFM, instead of a nebulous slider or dial. We found that these controls gave us tons of flexibility to handle different jobs without any of the guesswork that comes with some variable speed models. Number 3. Ego Power Plus LB6003 Cordless Leaf Blower. Backpack leaf blowers provide exceptional power without excessive arm fatigue. While testing the Ego Power Plus LB6003 both in the lab and at home, we found it light and comfortable to use without hindering our mobility at all. We also love that it features variable airflow speed with a comfortable joystick-style control stick. When we tested this leaf blower in our lab, we were so impressed with its speed and power that we had to try it out at home too. We used this leaf blower at home for about 6 months in a yard filled with 20 trees, and we didn't find much to dislike. It made fall cleanup feel less of a chore, and significantly sped things up a bit compared to raking. We also found it handy for clearing sticks, leaves, and even light snow from our driveway and sidewalk. Since this is a backpack model, most of its weight is distributed on your back while using it. Even though it's fairly heavy, your arms and wrists are spared from bearing the entire load, so you won't feel fatigued as fast. While it weighs almost twice as much as our best overall pick, a handheld option, also by Ego, you can use it longer and feel less tired. Number 4. Makita LXT Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. Variable speed leaf blowers are useful because they allow you to control the amount of airflow, but they can be tiring. One of the reasons we like this Makita option so much is that it includes cruise control. This feature lets us set the power level wherever we want and then let go of the trigger, giving our hands a delightful rest. We tested this leaf blower at our lab, and it performed exceptionally well in all of our tests, blowing dry and wet leaves from a patch of grass with minimal effort and clearing leaves from hard surfaces even faster. It also performed exceptionally well in tests of raw power, moving weighted fishing nets a great distance with ease, so we think you'll be hard-pressed to find debris in your yard that this blower won't move. It tops out at an impressive 116 miles per hour, which can be compared to a lower maximum of 95 miles per hour from our best value pick. In addition to raw power, this leaf blower also provides variable wind speeds with the previously mentioned cruise control feature. The variable speed option works like many other variable models, requiring you to squeeze the trigger harder to increase the speed. We like how that gives you instant one-handed control over speed changes, but it can get really tiring. Number 5. Husqvarna 2-cycle gas backpack leaf blower. The Husqvarna 150 BT is our favorite leaf blower for big yards because of its powerful airflow, comfortable and ergonomic design, and runtime that battery-powered options can't match. We tested it over 800 square feet of flat terrain covered in grass clippings and leaves, and we were impressed by its performance and comfort. After 3 months of testing, we found ourselves strapping it on once or twice each week to keep up with a variety of tasks around the yard. This is a powerful leaf blower, which is why we think it's suitable for even the biggest of jobs. We were able to tidy our yard in record time with no issues moving even heavy, wet leaves, so it's the ideal option if you have a large amount of land with lots of trees. While this leaf blower is far heavier than our handheld picks, we found it very easy to carry and use. It looks much heavier than it feels once you're wearing it. The adjustable harness helps distribute the weight evenly, so we never felt fatigued. You carry around more extra weight than you would with a handheld model, but your arms won't feel as worn out the next day. And there you have it, the best cordless leaf blowers of 2025. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment. Smash that like button if this saved you hours of raking. Subscribe for more honest tool reviews. We test so you don't have to. All links? Check the description. See you next time, with a leaf-free yard.